I'm Heather with WTI. A staple item for us multiple times a year are our ACE flags. What these are great for is marking our irrigation so that the guys that come to treat our lawn don't hack it up with the aerator. Also, it makes it nice and easy to find where the heads are. They do bury themselves. It makes it really hard to find them sometimes. Absolutely a necessity if you have anything on your lot that you need to mark, whether it's for landscaping or improvements. They have saved us numerous times. Having a lot of construction done, the big trucks go over top often. We have had some heads ruined because of those big trucks not seeing where they were. So these ACE Supply flags are made with such great quality. These weather nicely as well. It's got this nice bright color that's not fading anytime soon. We've used these flags in landscaping projects when you have to mark your gas lines, anything to be aware of under the ground. Be prepared and use the flags. Nice and tall. At 15 inches, they're easily seen. They stick nice and securely in the ground and still are visible. Just to show you how well they're made, I'm actually trying to tear it here and they won't tear. I have used ones before that just easily rip right off, which does you no good. And they come enough of them in a pack to cover our entire lot. They hold up really well. We've been impressed with them. These are also great to have along the roadway or your driveway so that plows know where the grass starts. I'm sure you can think of a couple ways that you could use these. I know they've been a huge benefit to us and we do highly recommend them. That's my point of view.